covalent molecule which contains the functional group called the hydroxyl group, which is represented by an O and an H. The straight chain alcohols can be systematically named, indicating the position of the hydroxyl group from structural formula containing no more than 8 carbon atoms. The prefix is the first part of the name, which tells us how many carbon atoms are present. So when we're using our data booklet, meth would tell us we've got 1 carbon, eth 2, prop 3. However, the ol tells us that this belongs to the family of the alcohols and contains the OH group, which is known as the hydroxyl group. The number before the ol in the name tells us which carbon atom the position of the hydroxyl group is found on. So let's have a go at drawing some straight chained alcohols. Firstly, we want to identify the prefix, and we'll draw this many carbon atoms together in a straight chain. Pent tells me that we've got 5 carbons, so I draw 5 carbons connected in a straight chain. I then want to number the top line of carbons in the longest chain from left to right. I want to identify the position in which the OH is found in the name. So that's where the ol is, so that's position 1, and I'm going to add the hydroxyl, that's the OH, to this carbon atom. I'll fill the rest of the molecule out with hydrogen atoms, and this is us being able to draw pentan 1-ol. So if you want to pause the video, you can have a go at this yourself, and when you're ready you can press resume and I'll go through how to do this one. So from the name we've got butan, so that tells us we've got 4 carbon atoms, so I'll draw them joined together. I'll then number the carbon atoms 1 to 4 from left to right. I can see that the position of the hydroxyl group's on position 2, so I'm going to add an OH to carbon number 2. Remember, the oxygen's got to be connected to the carbon, so make that very clear. And then I'm going to fill out the rest of the bonds with hydrogen atoms. The next one we've got is propan 1-ol. Prop tells me we've got 3 carbon atoms that will join connected in a straight chain. I'll number the carbon atoms 1 to 3 from left to right. I look at the position of the hydroxyl group from the name, and it tells me it's on position 1. And I'll fill the rest out with hydrogens, and that's us drawing propan 1-ol. So here are some examples for you to have a go. I've given you the name of the alcohol I would like you to draw, and I would like you to draw the full structural formula. So if you want to pause the video, and when you're ready you can press resume and the answers will pop up on the screen. This past paper questions from the National 5 2014 written 8B part 2. Name the functional group present in this alcohol. We can see that it's got an OH, and this is known as the hydroxyl group. This is part 2 to this question, where it's asking you to draw the structural formula for an isomer of this alcohol. So the first thing that we need to know is what an isomer is. An isomer has the same molecular formula but a different structural formula, meaning it's got the same number of carbons, hydrogens and oxygens, but it looks a little bit different. The easiest way to do this is, because it's a branch chain, I would draw all the carbon atoms in a straight chain, add a hydroxyl group to any other position than position 1 and fill out with hydrogens.